Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable audio recordings on this Eufy Indoor Camera E220. Let's get started. For this, we're gonna need this Eufy security application, and then on the main screen in the devices we would need to tap on this three dots, and after this select the settings icon. Now scroll a bit and you'll see the audio settings. This is what we needed. So here we can enable and disable microphone, audio recording and speaker. So if you want to record videos with a sound, just keep this option enabled. If you want to hear no sound, just only see the picture, then disable by tapping on this switcher. You can do just the same. If you don't want to use microphone, just disable this feature and confirm by tapping turn off. And here in the speaker section, you can either keep it enabled and change the volume by dragging the slider left or right. Right is increased volume and left is decreased. Or you can just disable this option as we disabled these two before. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.